You check your pump in the mirror and one shoulder looks smaller, weaker, lower. You think it's genetics. It's not. It's your phone. Your uneven shoulders aren't from bad lifting. They're from bad living. That slouch holding your phone, that laptop hunch, that always carrying your bag on one side, it's quietly shutting down the muscles in one shoulder. Your posture is writing a check your workouts can't cash. Practical or exercise tips. First, fix your life. Carry your bag on the other side. Set your phone down. Sit up straight. Now, fix your training. Start every session facing a wall. Do single arm exercises, first cable raises, dumbbell presses. Go lighter on the weak side and match its reps. Don't chase the strong one. Stretch your chest and neck daily. You're not building a show muscle. You're rehabilitating a function. Symmetry isn't found in the gym. It's built by how you spend the other 23 hours. Fix your posture, then fix your weights. Follow for more anatomy truths.